today we came to this area in Shanghai, which is actually one of the earliest developed areas in Shanghai, and there's loads of little like quirky shops and cool little restaurants, and yeah, exactly. I'm just vlogging. Yeah, it's so awesome. Loads of little shops and little restaurants, little food places, like authentic, original shops, and there's loads of people as well. That's sunglasses, S-A-N glasses. Do you see that? These are the biggest glasses I've ever seen. I look ridiculous. So yeah, you can eat out of a toilet in this restaurant. Pretty nuts. What's it called again? What are we having? What's frozen yogurt? Yeah. Look at mine. It looks very unhealthy and delicious. But yours is like only fruits. Clearly I'm the unhealthy one. That's so random. We stumbled upon some. What the hell? Decent music, not bad. So now we're at Xindiandi, which is basically like a Western style area, more like Western style shops and cafes and little bars. It's pretty cool, a lot of people, and I don't know, yeah, it's more like modern. And we just stumbled upon some random music week thing as well, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, just walking around really. This is my new car. What do you think? If I just went in there right now and be like, bye! Oh my god! That car is sick! Wow! Bloody hell! Got myself some street food on the way home. It is absolutely delicious. It's like chicken, like hot chicken. Really good. So we're at the East Nanjing Road, which is like the main shopping area in Shanghai, like the main shopping road. And there's a lot of just Western shops here, like you would have anywhere in Europe, or like, yeah, I don't know, where are we going? Forever 21? Yeah. Okay. So we just shopped for like, I don't know, 4 hours, 5 hours. And Serena is mad at me because I'm the most indecisive person in the world. Like, I just couldn't decide. I just take hours to decide what I like, to pick stuff up and then like decide whether to buy it or not. I just can't decide.
Unbelievable.
She was so mad, she was screaming at me at the store.
She don't know what suits you or not suits or whatever.